Hi everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Practice. You know that feeling when you feel like your English sounds a bit, well, basic? We all know those basic phrases that get the job done, but what if you want to sound more confident, articulate, and interesting? Well, stick around because in this video, we're going to reveal 17 key phrases that will elevate your English from basic to advanced and have you sounding like a natural in no time. Now let's delve into some powerful phrase clusters for expressing your opinions and ideas in a clear and impactful way. Let's start with a classic, I don't know. It's perfectly fine, but how about spicing it up? I have no clue. You could say, I have no clue, which adds a bit of emphasis. For example, when someone asks you if it's going to rain today, and you don't know, you can say, I have no clue. Notice the long oo sound in the word clue. I have no clue. I have no clue. I have no clue.
I have no clue. I have no clue.
I have no clue. I have no clue.
Another expression you can use instead of, I don't know, is, beats me. This is a casual way of saying you have no clue about something. Imagine your friend asks, where did Sarah go? Completely clueless? You could shrug and say, beats me. Remember, it's perfect for chatting with friends or family, but maybe not the best choice for a job interview or a presentation. Notice the ending S in the word beats. Beats me. Beats me. For example, do you know where the market is? Beats me.
Beats me. Beats me.
Beats me. Beats me.
A stronger and more emphatic way to say, yes, is, absolutely. This phrase conveys a higher level of agreement, enthusiasm, or certainty compared to just, yes, and can also be used to show strong support or willingness. Notice the word stress pattern here. Absolutely. Absolutely. Do you want to grab a beer? Absolutely.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Another alternative for yes here is, sure thing. It's a casual and informal way to express agreement or willingness to do something someone has asked. Do you want to go out? Sure thing.
Sure thing. Sure thing.
Sure thing. Sure thing.
Next, instead of saying I agree, you can say, I couldn't agree more. It's a stronger way to express agreement, emphasizing that you completely agree with the other person's statement. Listen and repeat after me. I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more.
I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more.
I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more.
Another alternative is, that's a good idea. This is a casual and straightforward way to express approval of someone's suggestion. It shows that you find their idea to be positive and potentially helpful. Remember, the word, that's, is the contracted form of, that is. And notice how words are linked together. Listen. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. That's a good idea.
That's a good idea. That's a good idea.
That's a good idea. That's a good idea.
Instead of saying I'm tired, you can say, I'm beat. This is a very informal way to express extreme tiredness or exhaustion. It suggests you're completely drained of energy and might be unable to function normally. Note that we often use it in spoken English only. I'm beat. I'm beat. I'm beat.
I'm beat. I'm beat. I'm beat. I'm beat.
A more advanced alternative to I'm tired is, I'm spent. This phrase is a casual way to express significant tiredness or exhaustion. I'm spent. I'm spent. I'm spent.
I'm spent. I'm spent.
I'm spent. I'm spent.
Now, what are some more advanced ways to say goodbye? The first one we have today is, see ya. This is a very casual and quick way to say goodbye to someone you know well. It's a friendly and familiar way to end a conversation, often used among friends, family, or colleagues. Notice that the word ya is the informal weak form of the word you. See ya. See ya. See ya.
See
See ya.
See ya. See ya.
Similar to see ya. Another informal expression we have today is catch you later. However, catch you later feels slightly more intentional. It implies you have a specific expectation of seeing them again. Perhaps later in the day, at another planned event, or simply when your paths might cross again. Notice how the words are linked together in this expression. Catch you. Catch you. Catch you later. Catch you later. Catch you later.
Catch you later. Catch you later.
Catch you later. Catch you later.
Now, we hear and use how are you every time, right? But do you think it's time we use something more advanced? What's up? It's a broad question that can be used with anyone you know well. From friends and family to colleagues in a casual setting. And sometimes it doesn't necessarily expect a detailed response. You can hear how the words are linked together, right? What's up? What's up? What's up?
What's up? What's up?
What's up? What's up?
How's it going? Similar to, what's up? This is an informal greeting used to inquire about someone's day or general well-being. It feels slightly more specific than, what's up? And might invite a more detailed response about their activities or how they're feeling. It's still appropriate for casual settings with friends, family, or colleagues. Listen and repeat after me. Can you tell which words are linked together? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going?
How's it going? How's it going?
How's it going? How's it going?
Moving on to the next basic answer to the common question we just went over. I'm fine. It's not wrong, but it can make you sound boring if you keep using it over and over again whenever someone asks how you are. A more advanced phrase to use instead is, I'm doing great. This is a straightforward and positive way to say you're feeling good and things are going well. I'm doing great. I'm doing great. I'm doing great.
I'm doing great. I'm doing great.
I'm doing great. I'm doing great.
Another expression you can use is, can't complain. This is a more understated way to express that you're doing well. It implies that you have no major complaints or problems in your life right now. Notice that, can't, is the contraction form of, cannot. Can't complain. Can't complain. Can't complain.
Can't complain. Can't complain.
Can't complain. Can't complain.
Now, what can you say instead of, I understand? The first advanced alternative we have here is, I see. This is a simple and neutral way to acknowledge that you have heard and understood the information presented. I see. I see. I see. For example, it's a very complicated process. I see.
I see. I see.
I see. I see.
Similar to, I see. I get it. Acknowledges understanding, but it conveys a slightly stronger sense of grasping the concept or situation. It implies you not only heard the information but also understood its significance or implications. Listen and notice how the words are linked together. I get it. I get it. I get it.
I get it. I get it.
I get it. I get it.
Okay, we have one bonus advanced expression before wrapping up today's video. Instead of saying the same old boring word, good, as a response to something, you can say, that sounds great. This phrase is a common and versatile way to express approval or enthusiasm for an idea, suggestion, or plan. It's appropriate in most informal and some formal settings. Listen and repeat after me. That sounds great. That sounds great. That sounds great.
That sounds great. That sounds great.
That sounds great. That sounds great.
Alright everyone, that's it for our look at leveling up your English with advanced phrases. Remember, these simple changes can make a big difference in how you sound and how well you connect with others. Now you have some fantastic options to replace basic phrases like good or yes. Go out there and put them to use and start leveling up your conversations today. But wait, there's more. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome English learning tips and tricks. Every week, we'll dive into new topics, conquer common grammar mistakes, and help you sound like a pro. Also, leave a comment below and tell me, what other English topics would you like to learn about? Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.